Welcome to Extra Classes. Biology is the kingmaker in NEET. Out of 720 marks, biology alone gives you 360. And, if you can target 340 plus marks for bio, your chances of securing an MBBS seat skyrocket. So, let's break down exactly how to prepare and what to focus on to hit that score. The biggest secret is simple. NCERT is everything. Every single line, every diagram, every example is important. Don't waste time chasing too many reference books. Instead, master NCERT books line by line. Highlight definitions, examples, and keywords. Make a quick notes notebook of only NCERT lines that are easily forgettable. Remember, NEET loves asking questions directly from NCERT. To make it easy, refer to quick review guides and videos from extra classes that covers these things. These guides are a must-have for students when they do last-minute revision, flipping pages of an entire book. Instead, flip through 3 pages for each chapter or a 3 to 4 minutes video, covering all the key concepts. All chapters are important, but if you are targeting 340 plus, focus your energy on the high-yield chapters. For Class 11, Human Physiology, Plant Physiology, Cell Structure, Biomolecules are the key chapters. For Class 12, Human Reproduction, Genetics, Evolution, Biotechnology, and Ecology are important chapters. These chapters alone make up more than 60% of biology marks in NEET. Extra Classes ranks chapters for all subjects on the basis of their weightage and importance based on previous year exams. Diagrams are your best friends. Every NCERT diagram should be revised until you can label it without looking. Human heart, nephron, brain, eye, ear. Flower structure, double fertilization, DNA replication, and cell division. Make flowcharts for quick recall: spermatogenesis, oogenesis, menstrual cycle, photosynthesis, immune response. NEET often tests your memory of structures and processes. Past year questions are gold. Around 65 to 70% of NEET biology questions repeat concepts from previous years. Solve the last 10 years biology previous year questions multiple times. The questions are available in form of test series on extra classes. Don't just check answers, analyze why an option is right or wrong. Then move to mock tests on extra classes. Try to finish biology in 45 to 50 minutes with high accuracy. This gives you extra time for physics and chemistry. Practice from more than 180 tests on extra classes with over 20,000 questions for all the subjects. Revision makes or breaks your score. Revise NCERT at least 3 times before the exam. Make use of quick revision guides and videos on extra classes, which act as sticky notes, flashcards, and 2 to 3 page summaries for each chapter. Revise diagrams and key terms daily. In the last week, focus only on keywords and repeated previous year questions themes like double fertilization, apomixis, codominance, Hardy-Weinberg principle, and biotechnology tools. Scoring 340 plus in biology is about discipline. Consistency beats last-minute cramming. Do daily NCERT revision, regular PYQ practice, and quick mock analysis. Stay calm, avoid distractions, and remember biology is the most predictable subject in NEET. If you prepare smartly, 340 plus is well within your reach. Your white coat dream depends on biology. Master NCERT, practice previous year questions, revise smartly, and you'll hit that 340 plus mark range with confidence. If you found this guide useful, hit like, share it with your NEET friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more exam strategies. All the best, future doctors. Join extra classes for free today. Use the promo code in the description.